Universal makes a sneaky little change to a popular attraction. Hey, what's going on everybody? Rick here at Universal Studios Florida. Let's go investigate that change and other updates right now. Here at the Universal Studios store in City Walk, gone is the Halloween Horror Nights window treatment. In its place, a treatment for the Trolls movie coming out on November 17th. And these two window treatments are displays, as I should say, replaced Halloween with Christmas at Hogwarts. Yes, it is the holiday season now. As far as this Universal Globe is concerned, I'll just tell you when it is spinning again. Halloween has come and gone, but Halloween Horror Nights is still here. The last night will be Saturday night. But Universal Orlando has announced its dates for Mardi Gras. That will occur here February 3rd through April 7th. Now, as far as this year's Halloween Horror Nights, Nikki and I and our girls, we had a fabulous time at HHN. Lots of good scares. Can't wait till next year, when hopefully the creature from the Black Lagoon gets its own haunted house. I'm looking at you, Universal. Make it happen. The next big event here is the holiday season, Universal's holiday celebration, starting on November 17th. We have evidence of it down here on Hollywood Boulevard. Look at this, next to the dark room, a facade. This will be the holiday tribute store facade, so looks like it is moving back to Hollywood Boulevard. The Halloween Horror Nights tribute store, of course, was located in New York City. Regarding the holiday celebration here at Universal Orlando Resort, here at Studios, they will have some special holiday food tents, and we're looking forward to trying some of that great holiday food here. Well, you saw a promotional window for Trolls in City Walk. Let me show you this one over here by the Horror Makeup Show. The Hollywood photo backdrop has been changed to that Trolls movie. Again, opening November 17th. Looking into the DreamWorks Land Kid area that should open next year, 2024. We are calling that a troller coaster. Some people may disagree, but whether or not it ends up being a troller coaster, we're still gonna call it a troller coaster, no matter what. A quick look into SpongeBob Store Pants reveals, for $15, a Patrick plushie. My doggy would like this. And a second one for $19.99. My dog would like this one too. We have discovered over time that most of the toys made for kids last longer than toys made for dogs, so we often get the kiddie toys to give to our dogs. You guys will not believe what I found carved into this tree. You see what that says? Of course. It says Lucas.
How are you?
Doc!
I knew you were going to be here.
I know you knew.
Yes, I know you.
Yes.
Did you enjoy Halloween Horror Nights?
We did. We had a fabulous time this year, Doc.
Yes. Which house was your favorite?
Oh, we like Stranger Things, Exorcist. Blood Moon was a very good house. An original house by Universal Creative did an excellent job with that one.
Excellent.
Loved
it. The classic monsters.
That's a good one. I am rooting for the creature from the Black Lagoon to get its own house next year.
Ooh, that would be a very wet house.
It would be. But Universal Creative does great with the underwater sets, the watery sets that they make.
Absolutely. Combine
that with the classic monster. Gold.
You can't beat that. You've done Back to the Future Escape Experience yet?
I have not done that, Doc. I apologize.
Maybe in the future.
Maybe in the future, you're right. See you around, Doc.
All right, Rick. Bye.
After a quick visit with the Doc, let's head into Springfield, see how they're doing with the Dufftoberfest beer. We should have asked Doc to go into the future and see how long it's going to last this year. Wait a second. I don't see the Dufftoberfest banners. Are they done with Dufftoberfest already? So here's the scoop. I have the information on the Dufftoberfest beer. You know I like to keep tabs on that. They still have about 40 kegs left. Last year it lasted until the last day of the year, December 31st. So unless they keep finding more kegs, 40 are left, so you can keep coming here asking for the Dufftoberfest beer. They just don't have the banners up anymore. They take those down after Halloween. The Midway game prizes here in Krusty Land, the same as they have been, just a few Halloween ones, but I expect with the change of season to see more of Santa's Little Helper showing up soon as a game prize. Santa's Little Helper being the Simpsons family dog, of course. The theme park is closing at 5 p.m. for daytime guests because it is a Halloween Horror Nights night. So we're gonna have to, I think, do a quick food review in City Walk today, not inside the theme park. But we will worry about that after a visit to Diagon Alley. I just got in here, but I have a feeling it's a little too windy for the Dragon today. But not too windy for Celestina Warbeck and the Banshees. Just a couple more weeks and they'll be doing their Christmas set. 1 hour and 15 minutes left in the park day, and the wait time for Gringotts is 55 minutes. And by the way, it was not too windy for the Dragon. She went off when Celestina Warbeck and the Banshees were performing. During the last hour of the park day, Death Eaters will begin to make their appearances. Now, they mainly roam Diagon Alley during Halloween Horror Nights, but like I said, the last hour of the park day, regular daytime guests gets to, I don't know, let's say, quote unquote, enjoy the Death Eaters. Nice little treat for them. Well, as much as a Death Eater can be a treat. I'm assuming this little treat will end when Halloween Horror Nights ends. They're sneaking up on me. They're very tricky, these guys. Gotta watch, gotta keep your head on a swivel. It was a milder day today. Started my day at 57 degrees, high of 77. As a result, Universal brought out the caps and the hoodies. Gotta keep us warm. That 77, whew, brutal. And now for that sneaky little change that Universal made. They made it to the Hogwarts Express. Now the Hermione voice sounds more like Hermione from the movies. A lot of people always complained on that attraction, the train ride over, that Hermione did not sound like Hermione, but she should now. And please note, Hogwarts Express will be closing in December for about a week for refurb. That would be December 10th through the 16th. Lombard's Seafood Grill closed today at 4 p.m. So unfortunately we will not be able to try some of the new entrees that they are offering, but maybe next week. Construction of the new Lagoon Show fountain platform continues to progress. Looks to me like they built a whole new platform from scratch. In this little alleyway next to Louie's, still not 100% completed with this wallpapering, though it's close and it's looking good. Here on Delancey Street, small little update. Those construction walls by the pet shop, still there. Universal has already brought out some of the HHN props here in the New York Scare Zone, known as Vamp 69, which gives me a thought about next year's HHN. Last year, Universal Orlando gave us a house announcement right as HHN ended. Will they do it again this year? I don't know, but I'm listening for it. 25 minutes to go in the regular park day, and The Mummy is a 25-minute wait. How symmetrical. Because the park closes in under 30 minutes, it's hard to get into someplace to eat, so looks like it will be City Walk for dinner. A quick food review from perhaps a place we don't often show because it doesn't open till after 4. And it's unusual for me to be here after 4. I think Rip Ride Rockit is closed because of high winds. We should be in or around the 10th minute of this video. If you watched it this far, I have a special promo code for you for the Mummy Coffee Company, my own personal coffee brand, link in the description box, for making it to the 10th minute. you get 10% off. So the promo code is 10 for 10. 10% off your entire order. Again, a link to the Mummy Coffee Company in the description box. Enjoy that 10% promo code. Big Fire is one of those places I never show because it doesn't open until 4. Now, let's see if I can get a seat in there. Looks like I just grabbed a seat at the bar. Before dinner, a cocktail. Big Fire, renowned for their old fashions. I'm gonna have the smoked old fashioned for $15.50. The whiskey is Knob Creek Maple, smoked over oak. And here is my dinner. Pork, 2 ways, $30. Hearth grilled pork tenderloin, apple spiced braised pork belly, bourbon peach butter, cheddar grits, and mustard greens. All done with my lunch. Here is my quick food review. Let's just start with the grits. I loved them, ate every bit of them. And then now let's move on to the 2 porks. Now the apple spiced pork belly was the sweeter of the 2 porks, and the pork tenderloin, the more savory, cooked over 3 different woods. Cherry, pecan, and oak gave it a nice smoky, savory flavor. But I did enjoy the pork belly as well with the sweet, so a nice complement between the sweet and the savory. And like I said, the grits were just tremendous. The entire entree was phenomenal, from the grits to both porks, a nice mix of sweet and savory. And let's not forget about the old fashioned. Not often that I get a smoked old fashioned, and Knob Creek is not usually my whiskey of choice, but I enjoyed it. I might have to add that trick of smoking the old fashioned to the ones that I make at the house, but I enjoyed it. It was very good. The entire meal, the drink, and the entree, phenomenal. And that's going to do it for this update video. Don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun. Exit through the description box. I'm not kidding. There's some links in there that may interest you.